What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This one should be pretty fun today. We took the ROG1 to the skate park and broke several things out there. It's usually why I don't do skate parks. But this one should be pretty good. We are going to be replacing all the broke parts that we can with aluminum ones. They were pretty hard to find, but we ended up getting a hold of some, so we're going to put them on. Some of these parts aren't really recommended for bashing, but we're going to put them on anyways and see how it does. We've got stock parts in case they don't do good, so let's get right into it. If you guys don't mind, hit that like, subscribe button. We're trying to grow this small channel, but I appreciate you guys watching. Let's dive into it. Oh yeah, we did a number on this one, guys. We broke it up pretty good. Worse than I thought anyways. First of all, it took me forever to try and get all this sand and everything else out of here, clay, whatever it was. We ended up breaking it a few different things. I know the fan's pretty busted up. Definitely broke a steering knuckle on this wheel. Something's up with the suspension because she's got a heck of a California squat to it. I know it's what the kids are doing nowadays, but don't like it on trucks, and I sure don't like it on my RC cars either. But hey, if that's your thing, that's your thing. Wow. Okay, so let's start by tearing everything down. Glue, silicone glue. We bent a strut tower pretty good right here. You can see that. Something's wrong with the fan. I think I said that already. Let's begin by getting everything we can off of here and getting these screws out from here. Nothing more than I love than these 2mm and 1.5mm screws. They love to strip out. Now, with these being such small 1.5mm head screws, I'm going to go ahead and go through and break all of these loose by hand before I go and put any power tools on them. It'll reduce the likelihood of them stripping, but definitely doesn't eliminate it. Now, I don't think absolutely everything needs to come off, especially anything in the middle. Now, this can come loose. I'm pretty sure we can leave our motor. I do want to add some thicker fluid to the center diff, so I'm going to remove the rear bulkhead and everything in the front. We do have all new S2 tool steel parts, the ones that they had available anyways. We're going to be using as many of those as we can. All right, now that we've got the rear removed, it'll make working on this a lot easier to work on it in more of a module type. We will be replacing a lot. We have tons of stuff. Okay, I believe I have everything off that I'll be replacing. So, that's both arms off the front. Like I said, I left everything on so I can just swap it off directly part for part, screw for screw. It makes it easier for me to keep track of. Same arm on this side. The same goes for the rear, part for part. I've got 4 of the S2 CVDs. I believe I ordered dog bones for the rear, and they sent me 4 CVDs. Or I might have just ordered all CVDs. I can't remember. But we're going to go ahead and put CVDs in the rear anyways. Let me know in the comments if that's a good idea or not. I hear some people do it and some people don't. So to make this easier, I'm just going to set this here. And I'm basically going to copy the reverse image of this. That'll make everything a lot simpler. Take the guesswork out of it anyways. Okay, so we got one arm done. That is a unit of an arm. And like I originally said, I'm not so sure about doing the arms themselves. These do look pretty well made and very thick. But we're going to put them on and see how it does. I don't think I'll be doing any more skate part bashing for a while, but who knows? I say that and then I'll probably be right back out there doing it. But the precision in this is incredible. All these small facets and tiny holes all had to be drilled and then tapped. Clearances, tolerances, and everything on them are very good. I'm actually surprised. I really didn't expect this to be so well made, not for what it was and what it cost. So anyways, we'll do this 3 more times and come back down when we go to put it all back together. All right, progress has been made. We've got all 4 arms put together. And now we are back into the reassembly stage. So we've got the 2 rear arms on the rear bulkhead, I believe is what you call it. And we'll just finish the reassembly. It's all going pretty smooth so far. In this kit, there's a whole lot of bushings. And they're all different sizes, and there's no instructions. So, kind of just have to figure it out which one goes where. Because they only fit one way, pretty much. Man, guys, that's looking good. Not too bad. I think we are about ready to throw a battery in and give it a test. Nice and cleaned up. Wonder how much better this will hold up. Yeah, we're about to find out. All right, got this thing back out and about. Seeing some action. I think it's looking pretty good so far. Alignment might could use a little work, but hey man, that thing looks cool. I'm liking what it's doing. I'm sure this is gonna get bent up in no time. And that's okay. Give me a reason to put something else on it. I don't know, what do you guys think? Tell me in the comments, is this completely ridiculous? Or is it might be something worth doing? I might need to adjust the suspension a little more. Got a lot of bounce in it. I'm liking it though. So far, till I bend one of those aluminum arms. Let's see if I can do a standing backflip off this fire truck. Nope.
Nope. Nope. One more time. Woo. Alright, worth a try. I think it's gonna be okay. I also got some blown out shocks too. That sure enough isn't helping. I got some more ordered. They sent the wrong ones and they were awful. Got some more coming. Yeah, blown out shock isn't doing anybody any favors. Alright, everything's looking pretty good so far. Let's bring it in and see how everything still looks. Well, I think that went very well out there. It definitely could have gone worse, that's for sure. Well, everything appears to still be straight. Yeah. I might be missing a screw or two, and I'm definitely dealing with a blown out shock, but that's gonna happen. Well, all in all, I'm kind of digging it. Like I said, as unnecessary as this is still pretty cool. It's not bad at all. Well, if you guys want to see any other mods or upgrades to the ROG1 or the Big Rock or anything else, I do got some stuff planned for the Big Rock involving aluminum as well. I guess I'm on an aluminum kick, but yeah, let me know if there's something specific you want to see. I'm having a good time with this, so I'm gonna keep going. I appreciate you guys watching. If you don't mind, hit that like button, subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.